Have you ever looked at the stock market and felt so intimidated? You hear people talking about stocks on social media, on chat groups, in homes, at events. People talking about, I made this amount of money on the stock market, I did that on the stock market, and you feel so lost. In this video, I'll walk you through a short and simple steps that you can use to buy and sell your first stocks. So let's get started. So the platform that we are using today is Robinhood, because Robinhood is the easiest for beginners. Their interface is very easy to use. There is no complications with Robinhood. So to start with, you have to sign up for Robinhood. If you don't have an account, I will leave a link in the description so you can use it to sign up. You take a couple of minutes to do the signing up and you get a free stock as your welcome gift from Robinhood. So once you sign up and then you come to your home page, so you type the name of the stock that you want to buy. In this case, let's say there is this AI stock called Big Bear AI. It's $5. Everybody thinks it's going to go to $100 and you want to buy some. So you come to the home page and you type in Big Bear. So it pops up here. The ticker symbol is BBAI. So the ticker symbols are the identifiable letters, right? So those are, if you hear somebody saying ticker symbols, they just means identifiable letters. For every company has their own unique ticker symbol. So for Big Bear AI, it's BBAI. So you can type in Big Bear AI or you can also type in BBAI. It will bring you to the same stock. So you click on it and then it will bring you here. Here it will show you the stock price. It's currently at $5.07. And you can read a little bit about the company, what they do, a little bit of information, the CEO, the number of employees. And here you can see a few metrics here, the 52-week low, 52-week high. That simply means that's the lowest the lowest and the highest that the stock has been in the past 52 weeks. And the day high, the day low is how low and high the stock went for the day. Okay, and then you can look at the volume. The average volume tells you on average how many stocks are bought and sold every single day. And then the volume here is the volume that was actually traded today. So today you can see 38 million shares were bought and sold. So when you want to buy, what you do is you come here and then you can buy in shares or you can buy in dollars. So let's buy in shares. If you want to buy in shares, you just type the number of shares that you want to buy. So let's say we want to buy 5 shares of Big Bear, and then it will tell us the estimated cost, which is $25.40 because it's trading at a little bit above $5 and we are buying 5 shares. And then you click on review order. After you click on review order, you will you see the summary, just like when you're placing any order on any platform. You see the summary on Amazon and all those kind of stuff. So you click on the buy, and just like that, you've bought your first share. You own your first stocks, and you can see right down here, it shows you have 5 shares of Big Bear AI. Okay, and if you want to sell, you come here, and after you buy, you're going to see a sell button, because now you own the stock. You can buy more and you can sell. Okay, so to sell, what you do is that you come here, you click on the sell, and you select you type in the number of shares that you want to sell. Let's say we are selling all 5, because let's assume we bought the stock at $5 and we wanted it to go to $10. It's currently at $10, so we want to sell. Okay, or whatever reason we want to sell and take our money out. So we put in the $5, the 5 shares that we want to sell, and we click on review and hit sell. And you see it's gone from here. And just like that, you've bought and sold your first shares. That's how it's done. It's so easy, no complications. And just like that, you went from a beginner to a pro. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful to you in your journey towards being financially free. And if it did, please subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification button. And the next video that I'll be doing is showing you how you can start building your portfolio with as little as $100 and continue from there. So don't miss out on that video. And the only way you are going to find out is if you subscribe and turn on the notification. Until next time, let's keep talking money.